Hello everyone, it's Umoren, your trusted money coach, and welcome to month 2 of the $100 Ethereum challenge. If you're new here, this is where I invest $100 into Ethereum every month for the next 5 years. The goal is just to show you the power of investing, the power of dollar cost averaging. What is dollar cost averaging? This is where you invest a fixed amount into an asset for a period of time. For me personally, I'm investing $100 into Ethereum for the next 5 years, every first Friday of the month. You can decide whatever frequency works for you, but for me personally, I'm going to be investing $100 into Ethereum every first Friday of the month for the next 5 years. And the goal of this is to demonstrate the power of dollar cost averaging, meaning I'm not timing my buys because time in the market beats time in the market. I'm just investing $100 into Ethereum every first Friday of the month. So let me know wherever you're watching from, Canada, the US, Nigeria, Senegal, Burundi, wherever you're watching from. Crypto is a global language and it's important to speak it fluently. Today, I'm going to be investing $100 into Ethereum again. I did this last month, and if you missed that episode, I'm going to link it in the description area below. And this is month 2. Since our last purchase, Ethereum went from $2,500 to almost $4,000 within the space of just a month. This is exciting. We're going to check our portfolio to see how our investment has grown. The market is red, and this is a great buying opportunity as a long-term investor. And today we're going to be using NDAX. NDAX is one of the top crypto exchanges in Canada. You can use any crypto exchange, but given that I'm in Canada, NDAX is one of the top crypto exchanges. And if you'd like to use my referral link, you can check out the link in the description area below. And if you use the link, you're going to get $15. I'm also going to get $15 provided you make a deposit at least $100. So let's jump in. You can use any crypto exchange of your choice. Binance, Kraken, KuCoin. Just do a simple Google search and find the one that works for you. Let's jump into the purchase for today. The crypto exchange I'm using is NDAX, one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges. You can use any crypto exchange of your choice. If you like to use this, again, the link is in the description below. I'm going to log into my account, which I've already done. Now that I'm logged into NDAX, you can see my dashboard and the total portfolio value. If I click on my wallet here, you can see the cash. I have 101 Canadian dollars. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see the Ethereum that we bought previously. You can see the Ethereum that we bought last month. Last month, we invested $100 into Ethereum. And as of this recording, the $100 has grown into $141.25. Okay, so today we're going to be investing another $100 into Ethereum. Remember, the goal of this is just to demonstrate the power of dollar cost averaging, the power of investing over a long period of time, and just allow our wealth to compound over time. So right here in my wallet, I have $101. I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I'm going to select this drop down, Ethereum Canadian, meaning that I'm going to be using Canadian dollars to buy Ethereum. And I'm buying $100 worth of Ethereum. And this is going to give me 0.0205 Ethereum. I'm going to click on the buy button. And this is what the transaction is showing me, meaning that this is the order type market. I'm buying it right away. This is the current price of Ethereum as of this recording. I'm going to be buying $100 worth of Ethereum. And this is the fees here. And I'm going to click on confirm. And voila, I just bought $100 worth of Ethereum. If I come down to my wallet area and look at the value of the Ethereum, you can see this has gone to $240 because we just invested $100 into Ethereum. This is all we need to do. We're investing $100 into Ethereum for the next 5 years, every first Friday of the month. If you're part of this challenge, let me know in the comment area below. Where are you watching from? What crypto exchange are you using? If you have any question, let me know in the comment area below, and also let me know the country that you're watching from. Until then, may the market be in our favor and your profits go up and your stress go down. I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you.